Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you really quickly how I make sanitizer spray. It's super easy, like 3 ingredients tops, and it's really cheap. Every once in a while, you need a sanitizer spray, right? Like every once in a while, I'll go through and I'll just do the light switches and the doorknobs and all that stuff, especially if someone in our family is sick. Then it's definitely like everything gets just sprayed. I really like the fine mist sprayers. I have one that I use for my bug spray, but I actually found this at Walmart. First thing you do is dump it all out. Yep, I bought a brand new bottle of this and I just literally dumped it all down the drain. I don't know what these chemicals are, but I don't want them all over my house. So I dumped it out, literally down the drain. But I thought the bottle was nice, and for $6, I thought it was a good deal, even if it's just a bottle, even if I literally dumped the whole thing out. This mister is really great because you pressed it and it just like has a long, super fine mist that continues to spray. So dump it out. Actually, I love that it has this like pull tab thing, so you can actually take this label right off. So let's see if you guys can see that. It'll focus. Sorry, the light's in the way. See that? It's like one of those little, so they make it really easy for you to take off the label. There we go. No more Clorox. But I thought this was very like streamlined looking, and I don't mind having this on my kitchen counter or under my sink. So anyway, get a fine mister spray bottle. This is the best thing I've found for it. Like I said, I have one that I was kind of going back and forth between my bug spray with, but I want to keep my bug spray in that bottle, so I dedicated another one to this. All you need is water, isopropyl alcohol, and optional is an essential oil of choice. So I have the 91% rubbing alcohol. I'm doing 8 ounces of this, which is 1 cup. I'm doing 1 ounce of just plain tap water, and then 6 drops of, I'm using Thieves Essential oil, but whatever essential oil that you want to use that has antimicrobial, antibacterial, antiviral properties. So whatever you want to use, but I love Thieves. I think it does a good job of just killing all the germs also. So it's a double punch in my opinion. So all you do is you just take your 1 cup of rubbing alcohol. I have just a silicone mixing bowl, something that you can fit 9 ounces in, obviously. Ounce of water, and then, I mean, really just however many you want. I feel like 6 is the right number. I don't know why, it just feels right. That's what we're gonna do, 6. And literally just pour it in. That's it. My talking obviously was more than it actually took to make it. And I can't talk and pour at the same time. So let's do this. There we go. Label it, and you're done. This will kill all the germs. This will sanitize all the things. And I don't know if you can see that, but it's a super fine mist, which is great because it doesn't really saturate things like in a super wet fashion, if that makes sense. So for instance, if I wanted to spray the light switches, I don't have to worry about like me soaking it and it like short circuiting or anything like that. It just does a really consistent fine mist, and it covers it completely. So I'll just literally I don't feel like I need to sanitize the air. I diffuse obviously essential oils for to sanitize the air. If someone's sick in our house, I make sure I change the air filters out. Like, these are all just really good sanitation practices. These are my little hacks. So if someone starts getting sick in your house, I start diffusing my Thieves, my purification oil, whatever. I start sanitizing all of the knobs and switches and community touch areas, refrigerator handles, all that kind of stuff. And then I also, like I said, I'll make sure I change out the air filter in my house. That makes sure the air is nice and clean. These are just some suggestions. All right, well, that's it. I'm done. give it a try. It's like I said, so cheap and easy. It cost me $6 for this bottle of Clorox, which obviously I bought for the bottle. But this probably cost me 50 cents to make, maybe. It's probably on the high side. So give it a shot. Super cheap and easy. And I always have these ingredients in hand. So bye, guys.